Good morning or good afternoon.
Hello.
Today we're at Ribble Steam Railway and we're working on the museum layout. So this is the second part to this is the second part to Ribble Valley Railway repairs. So enjoy.
Yeah, ta-ra.
Hello, welcome back to Scottish Steam Productions. And again, I'm filming in the same day. Are you still here?
Oh.
We filmed a few things today, which is good. It helps me get ahead on schedule, and it just gives me idea after idea after idea to make videos. So, we're back with the Ribble Valley Railway, and I'm going to talk about what's gone on and what we're about to do. So mostly we've been focusing on track 3. As you can see, there's some sort of plaster cloth underneath. You can see that we've put plaster cloth underneath because I cannot be bothered putting all that ballast that is chunky and grainy back down there for it to be rough. So when I ballast it, the plaster will stick to the ballast and the plaster will hopefully stick to the track. So track 3 is now a lot smoother than it was. There are a lot less gaps, and 73 over here runs absolutely beautifully, as my glamorous assistant will now show. See, at that point there, USA tank would have derailed, and here, hang on, if you remember, this gap here used to be a lot, but it was like there. So I've managed to narrow the gap between them both, and now that is a lot better. I really need this camera to focus. Thank you. Track 4 is fine. The only thing that needs redoing is this curve here, because if you look how close it gets to the wall, it gets horribly close to the wall. And when this comes back round, you will be able to see how close it gets. Now that really should be, the middle of these sleepers should be where this rail is, right here. So there should be a good gap between the track and the wall, but we've had countless bits of rolling stock clip that wall and it's damaged them, so now we need to fix it. Example A, the level crossing is buggered. Now onto the daunting task that I have been dreading for the longest time. Tracks 1 and 2 on this corner. I have found the piece of track that was actually here, that the Sentinel wore down, is actually perfect to go from here round to there. It fits perfectly. The rails all line up brilliantly, and so I'm going to rip up that one first, then I'm going to rip up the second one and see what I can do. So, cue the montage. Recording. Do not knock that over, for the love of God. Right. So it goes about there. Huh. If I start it here. Oh, God! I just ripped up the rail. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, that's one of the things with no judge anyway, say, Henry! Henry!
Ballast doesn't taste nice. You shut up. Oh my lord. Ah! My eyes! It's not my day today, is it? Oh. You know, Merry Christmas.
Thank you, sir. Didn't know you cared. few lamps here that need replacing as well.
There are lamps nearly everywhere in this layout that need redoing. It's just ridiculous. Where's my hammer?
Oh, that's bugging.
Have you just pulled it out?
I just pulled the end off.
So you try and pull the entire lamp off, you just pull its head off.
Yeah,
I'm trying to fix this layout.
I know. I'm finding things for you. I've just done another one.
Stop pulling the heads off.
Gotta rip its head off. Boop. There's another one.
You're just making editing harder for me. That's all you're doing.
Yeah.
Where's the flathead? Here we go.
Ace. What's that whole corner there?
Oh, that whole thing comes off.
Off.
That whole thing comes off?
Yeah.
Sweet. Just pop it on wireless. The goal is, by the end of this track being relayed, my Class 66 has to run round without derailing, because everything derails. And it has to pull a full train. Because I found the carriage connectors!
Including, possibly, your 68 on the back, just for good measure.
Oh no, it can manage the full train. Actually, the 68 will see if the carriages work.
Yeah.
66 will see if it derails. Yeah. We'll go with that.
Yeah.
And if it derails because of them dims.
You'll be thinking, feck.
I'll be thinking of destroying this whole layout with that giant hammer in the shop.
Oh.
Smashy, smashy.
Well, where's your tack hammer?
Round one. Ready, go! KO!
Why?
Winner is...
We'll leave that bit out.
I don't think we will.
Actually, this is better.
Editing.
Damn it! Post me, edit that bit out. We're just going to put a blue box for saying no. Well, at least I need the fish plates back. It's meant to be. Oh, I should have gone and got the giant hammer and just gone. Oh, damn it! So, as you know, Evening Star is back. And she's going to be doing the main test run of this curve, so let's see how it does. Now, previously, every time this Class 66 went round this corner, in the middle, there was always a little dip. And that was partially because the curve was made out of not 2, but 3 point parts. So the track was sort of dipping, not like that, but you get the gist. It was causing the wheels to derail. So, let's see if it works. The truth. I think after 2 years of problems with this one piece of track, I think it is finally fixed. Oh, no, I say that, but it's had a problem with another piece of track somewhere, so I'll fix that another day. But for the time being, it's fixed. Momentarily. Where does it derail elsewhere? Damn it. So, as with many things, like model railway, you find, say, a problem on a steam loco like John Howe, you fix it, as soon as you fix that one, you find another one. As I've just fixed that bloody corner, which has caused the most amount of issues out of any layout ever, the opposite bloody corner, that one, on the same track is now causing issues. So I've got to fix that one. I'm starting to think this layout's never going to work. But hey, see what else we can do. Hello, welcome back. It is now a different day. The previous few clips you saw was recorded on They were recorded on Sunday of making this video. It is now Wednesday. It has been a good couple of days. Sunday we got quite a bit of work done. Today I'm going to be focusing on the other part of the track that's a bit dodgy, that's causing, said trains to derail. Track 3 to me is good. It's working. I've not really seen any problems. The only issue I really have is with the corner over that side towards the engine shed area. There is a part of track where the corner's a bit angled. You could say it's not really a smooth straight transition. So I'm worried about, large chassis wheelbase locos going around and derailing. So that'll probably be something I'll address. As well as another big issue that's been needed to tackle for the longest time, which I'm finally doing today. So today I'm working on this piece of track, or this corner you should say. We've got a Sentinel trolling around with a few wagons. We've got my Class 68 with the sort of RSR 3 rake. It would be the 3 rake if that was a normal maroon BSK. Then we've got the Keithyworth Valley Railway Ivet hauling a small freight train as well. So without any further delay, I'm going to try and crack on with this and see how far I get. So, what have I figured out? Well, the curve is pretty much sorted. I just need that part there with all the white. That's struggling to stay down, so as soon as I get some track pins sorted, that will get fixed. It should be a much smoother transition. Though I have found the other 2 of 4 corners are now playing up as well. This corner over here, and the corner over there to the engine shed there, both playing up as well, so they'll probably have to get replaced. It's just problem after problem with this layout. It's not looking good, but that's what happens with the layout. You find problems, you fix it, and then you find another one, you fix it until everything works the way it should. This is why I never really wanted to have gradients on any layout of mine, or helixes. It's because if you get one bit of dodgy track, then it's going to mess up either one bit of your stock, which you can't run down that way. You're going to have to isolate it to a very certain part of your layout, or it's going to affect all of your stock. So I'm going to now try and crack on, see what else I can do, and we'll pick it up on the flip side. So guys, that is it for this video. I've pretty much got all 4 tracks to a point, well, all 3 tracks, because I've only worked on 3 of them. I've got all the tracks to a point where I'm happy to leave them. I'm happy to come back to it another day and carry on doing something else another time. But for now guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, leave a like and a good comment. If you didn't like it, leave a dislike and a bad comment. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And as always, I will see you in the next video, and see you later. Bye for now.
Come forth, engine shed. Now it's a home for slain Scotsmen, and Michael Gillespie too. Lindsay and Lord Nelson to name yesterday. There's the Blackfriars and the Ivy Tide, and the Barclays there galore. And 90 and the Frenchmen, plus many, many more.